Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, Level 2, Lesson 2, we are going to learn the parts of body. In German, Die Körperteile. Die Körperteile. I'm Joseph Volt, will be with you and together we will try to learn. And before you start, learn the words with proper article and spelling. It's very important. We are going to learn the most used words for the different parts of body. And after learning the words, we will also give you a test to check your learning. So, wir fangen an. We start. The parts of body. Die Körperteile. Head. Head. Der Kopf. Der Kopf. Die Kopf. Die Kopf. Here head is the English word. Der Kopf or the head is the singular and die Kopf is the plural one. So head, der Kopf, die Kopf. And hair, das Haar, das Haar, die Haare, die Haare. Forehead, die Stirn, die Stirn. Eye, das Auge, die Augen, die Augen. Eyebrow, die Augenbraue, die Augenbraue, die Augenbrauen, die Augenbrauen. Ear, das Ohr, die Ohren, die Augen. Nose, die Nase, die Nase, die Nasen. Cheek, die Wange, die Wange, die Wangen. Mouth, der Mund, die Munde, die Munde. Tooth, der Zahn, die Zähne, die Zähne. Face, das Gesicht, die Gesichter, die Gesichter. Chin, das Kinn, die Kinne, die Kinne. Neck, der Hals, die Hälse, die Hälse. Throat, die Kehle, die Kehlen, die Kehlen. Shoulder, die Schulter, die Schultern. Lip, die Lippe, die Lippen. Tongue, die Zunge, die Zungen, die Zungen. Chest, die Brust, die Brüste, die Brüste. Arm, der Arm, die Arme, die Arme. Belly, der Bauch, die Bäuche, die Bäuche. Hand, die Hand, die Hände, die Hände. Knee, das Knie, die Knie. Leg, das Bein, die Beine. Foot, der Fuß, die Füße, die Füße. Toe, der Zeh, die Zehen, die Zehen. And this were the words for the parts of the body or die Körperteile. And now we're going to homework. Now please read the passage first and solve the gaps given below. And here you can see a passage written by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ends at 10. Like, my head has shiny hairs. The hair touch my forehead and ears. Okay, and it goes on. Now you just have to read the passage carefully and have to answer all the gaps you can see here. And for example, mine dash in bracket hat glänzende dash in bracket hairs. So it means my head has shiny hairs. Here in bracket we have given head. You have to memorize the meaning of the head in Deutsch. So mein Head, it means Kopf. Mein Kopf hat glänzende hairs. I'm not gonna say anymore. You have to solve it. Okay, just read the passage properly, carefully, and then answers all the questions. And don't be afraid. In my next video, I'm just going to solve this. But until then, you have to try. You have to write the answers in the comment box, and I will try my level best to reply all. Okay, check all the answers you will write on the comment. And notes. Please learn the words with articles and with the correct spelling too. There's so many words too besides shown, but we will learn the most used words first. And please write the answers on comment box of given gaps and try to answer them without watching the words. And we'll also explain the right answers in our next video. The test is also written in the description too. If you have any question or query, then please let us know on the comment box and we will try to answer you our level best. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.